lot of folks have seen some showers and some thunderstorms today. Not everybody. A couple of them have produced an inch or inch and a half of rain. Fort Smith, especially the south side of town, just south of 22, got a decent little gully washer come through. That has since kind of drifted closer to the Hackett area. You're seeing some steady, moderate at times, some heavy rain, and there could be some gusty winds up to about 25 to 30 miles per hour coming out of that. Near Poda, you got another one near Heavener. Some of these are going to continue on and off. Now, much like what we typically expect in the summer months, a lot of these are going to start to wane off as the sun begins to set. A couple of them could persist closer to even through midnight or so, but I think we'll see less in the way of coverage. Got some here just to the west of Fort Smith. We get into the Roland area, a nice little downpour. You got a couple more near Salisaw. Stillwell seeing a little bit of light rain. The big cluster of showers and storms is encompassing a good chunk of Johnson County from Clarksville up towards Ludwig, Ozone, back over towards Knoxville and London as well. Good soaking downpour, fair amount of lightning coming out of that, so you're hearing it. Sounds probably a little bit stronger than it actually is. Northwest Arkansas is largely quiet with the exception of a couple of sprinkles that are remaining. We'll continue to see cloudy conditions such as what we're seeing right now across Fort Smith from our ACHE, our AIC camera there on the south side of town. Boy, visibility from this camera about an hour ago was pretty much zero as that thunderstorm rolled through. In Fayetteville, it was also pretty obscured when we saw some showers provide a nice steady rain. The skies have started to dry out. A couple of clouds there are going to remain for the rest of this evening. Let's talk about the timing. By 9 o'clock tonight, we're not finding as many of these showers or storms, but yeah, there's a few that are going to remain through probably, let's say, the midnight hour or so. Largely dry overnight. Tomorrow, there's going to be an additional opportunity for some more scattered showers. Some of those could be in the morning, but yet again, much like today, the timing looks to be more favored once we get into the afternoon and evening hours. It's all part of a stalled stationary front as well as some daytime heating that's going to work in conjunction with each other to produce some of those showers. Overnight tonight, dropping to the low to mid 70s northwest Arkansas, mid 70s in the River Valley. Pretty mild start to the day, turning into a hot afternoon once more. Upper 80s, Benton County. You got some low 90s in places like Fayetteville, mid 90s in the River Valley. So maybe a little bit of rain and maybe a little bit of cloud cover keeps us 2 or 3 degrees cooler than what we have been in recent days. It ain't much, but it is honest, right? It'll be a little bit better. Now notice this, Friday we see temperatures rebound. It's going to get hot again Friday, pretty muggy as well. More humidity Friday than what we've seen the last couple of days. That's all ahead of a cold front that's going to provide a decent, nice weekend. Saturday, Sunday, we're waking up in the 60s and low 70s. Afternoon highs mid to upper 80s. Not a bad weekend at all, with some gradual warming taking our temperatures back near normal the first half of next week in the River Valley. 95 tomorrow. Yeah, it's hot, I know. Friday's going to be noticeably more uncomfortable, and the temperatures there can be a little bit deceiving. And what I mean by that is, yeah, it's not the triple digits, but what we don't see there on that 7-day is even more humidity. Very tropical air mass will be in place Friday, which kind of offsets that drop in temperature. It's not as nice as what it may seem like. The weekend, though, that front not only knocks our temperatures back several degrees, low 90s for last day or so of July, plus lower humidity is going to make for a fantastic weekend to be out and about. Next week, yeah, we rebound back into the upper 90s about a week from now. Nonetheless, if you can't tell, I'm a little excited about the weekend.
Yes. Take advantage.